Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Snapcode feature. Snapcode feature is pretty neat if you want to share your username or you want somebody else's username so you can find them more easily and add them as friends. Basically, first you need to open up your Snapchat app. Once you have opened up your Snapchat app, go to the top left and then you will see right at the home screen your Snapcode. You just want to click on it and then you can use this just as, for example, you have a friend, he can just come, take a picture or scan it with Snapchat and then you will be added automatically. But there are some other features such as share Snapcode, which you can share on WhatsApp, Instagram messages, save to camera roll so you can send it that way. You can also share your profile link, so you don't even have to take this Snapcode, you can just share a profile link. If you want to send your username to, this is only limited to Snapchat, so if you send your Snapchat to a friend and then maybe that friend will send it to somebody else, and basically it also allows you to create your own avatar. But that's basically it. That's how you use Snapcode in its most efficient way. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.